So we were actually just trying to look at what the different types of agglutination tests that we have. You understand? We have made a video on the agglutination test, which have to do with what reaction between antibodies and antigens. Now we're looking at what the different types of these tests, like different ways in which this test can be done. You understand? So one of the ways is what is known as latex agglutination. Latex agglutination test, right? So for the latex agglutination test, well, this is the model in case you want to learn how to draw it. All right, you might not understand anything, but let's go in. So we said that they're actually laboratory tests. They are used to dictate antibodies or antigens in a sample. So these tests rely on the principle of agglutination, where if you see antibodies and antigens and they recognize each other, there will be what? There will be what? Clumping. That's reaction. You understand? So where the latex beads are the ones that are coated with either antigens or antibodies, right? So these are latex beads, right? So in this type of test, you are using latex, right? Something that is non-human, right? To actually initiate the whole reaction. So you coat the latex beads with antigens or antibodies, right? And they will react with their corresponding counterparts in the sample, and they form clumps that are visible. So they are commonly used for diagnosing infections like meningitis, hepatitis B, and other conditions. So there are different types of latex agglutination tests, such as what? Bacterial agglutination test, reverse passive agglutination test, and this is depending on the target antigen or the antibody that you're actually trying to look out for. You understand? So the same agglutination test, just that what you are using is what? Latex particles. So you coat the particles with either antigens or antibodies, right? So let's move to the next one.